Hi, my name's Kerry Badham and I'm really excited to show you our brand new mummy and baby elephant cutter sets. You have a large elephant, which can be a mummy or a daddy. You have a small one, which can be a baby. And then you've got a large ear and a small ear. Here is our cake to display the brand new mummy and baby elephant cutter set. So on the top we have the large elephant, and we've made that into a topper which is standing up. You can lay it flat on the cake, but for it to stand up you make it 24 hours in advance, allow it to dry, and we've supported it with lolly sticks on the back, attaching it with some royal icing. So nice and neat. And it's a great way to make a very quick topper. As I move down the cake, we've got these little plaques we made. So we thought it'd be very cute to add the FMM fluffy clouds. We've used the star embossed pin on the clouds themselves. And then I've used the Art Deco letters to cut out the baby shower inscription. And further down, we've got the small elephants. The paste we recommend you use is modelling paste. You can buy it or you can make it yourself. All you need is some fondant or sugar paste, whatever you call it. You add a little bit of Tylo to your mat. Now Tylo can be called CMC or gum track, but this is a rainbow dust Tylo. So add it to the mat and then I just knead it in. So it's nice and simple, and as you do this you'll start to feel your fondant firm up. It won't be ready to use straight away. You need to wrap it up in some cling film for approximately 30 minutes, or even better if you make up all the colours that you want to use for your cake project the night before, day before, and then they're ready to use as soon as you're ready to decorate your cake. I've rolled out my modelling paste and we're going to make one of the baby elephants. So just pop it on top of my modelling paste. It's already rolled out and I leave it to dry for a little bit so it has like a nice kind of dryish top. That way it's not too sticky. And being as it's modelling paste, it's really easy to use. So you can tap this on your side now, or you can just pop it through gently with your finger. Really, really easy. Now I'm going to cut out an ear, slide it round, and just pop it through. Now the best thing to do is actually attach your ear first, just so you can get your eye in the right place. So I'm going to do that with some water. If you use water, you can use edible glue, but if you use water, it activates the Tylo that we've already got in the modelling paste and it becomes sticky. So there you go, the eye's on. Now you can do one or two things. You can wait for this to dry completely and you can draw on an eye with an edible pen. This one's a rainbow dust one. Or you can emboss a little eye, or you can do what I do, and I've got a sugar ball. This one's a white one. Pop it in and put him on top. So here's one that I made earlier that's nice and dry. So here we have our finished cupcakes. We've put them on a fondant disc on top, waiting for it to dry. These are fantastic for baby showers, children's birthdays, just someone that likes elephants, and they're a great little gift that you can give someone to take home from the party too.